Imagine that in just a month you are making more than you do in an entire year. Sounds like a dream? No, it's reality, but only for those who are ready to take action. My name is Agatha, I'm 27 and I've been deeply involved in trading for the past 8 years. Over the years, I have developed and tested my most effective strategy countless times, allowing me to achieve these kinds of results over and over again. And now, members of my trader community are using it successfully. These are real testimonials filled with gratitude. And the best part, even a complete beginner can follow the strategy, zero experience needed. Watch this video carefully until the end so you can copy every step precisely and join the ranks of those already succeeding. You know what's frustrating? Every day you delay your start in trading, you're actually losing potential profits. Meanwhile, 12,000 members of my trader community are already seeing great results just from yesterday's session alone. Imagine this much from a single session. And you are still wondering if you can do it? With my personal guidance for every beginner and ready-to-use trading ideas, yes. Yes, absolutely you can. It's incredibly simple. I host live trading session where I share my trades in real time. All you have to do is copy my action and watch your results grow. And you know what's even better? You are just one step away from joining. Click the link in the description right now and become part of my trader community. Trust me, staying where you are now is the most expensive choice. It's better to spend just a few minutes and start seeing results today. As you can see, I've already prepared a bid by leaving only 4 in my account. That's what we will start our trading with. First, let's select a few currency pairs with high percentages and add them to the quick access panel for more convenient switching between them. So we will keep New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, and add Australian dollar and US dollar and Bangladeshi taka. Done. Now the most important part, indicators. Today I'll be using the RSI indicator. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. We will keep the default settings, just slightly increase the line thickness. RSI helps determine who currently dominates the market, buyers or sellers, and helps us find the optimal entry point. And lastly, let's check the trade duration. 1 minute. That's it. We are ready to analyze and trade. The first pair will be US dollar and Bangladeshi taka. Entering a trade up. Looking at the chart, the price has approached a local support level. RSI is already near its lower boundary, indicating market oversold conditions. So it makes sense to assume that the price will bounce off the support level and move up. My assumption was correct. Let's keep going. Next pair, an Australian and an American. Changing this value to 7. The chart shows that the price has broken through a local resistance level and is moving up. A strong uptrend has begun, pressing up with confidence. The trade closed in our favor. Well, let's keep going. Now it's time for a New Zealander and Canadian. Adjusting the value again. Now let's see what the chart suggests. The price tested the resistance level, bounced off it and moved downward. In such moments, it's better to follow the trend, so we press down. Perfect! Once again, my technical analysis was correct. Can't complain about that. Moving on. Let's check US dollar and Bangladeshi taka again. Setting a new value of 27. The situation is similar to what we encountered in trade 2. The price reached a support level, bounced off it and started moving higher. So we press the green up button. Awesome! So far, nothing complicated. Small steps toward the goal. By the way, friends, I mentioned my trader community earlier, but if you still haven't clicked the link, here is something important. In my live trading sessions, I share only my verified currency pairs and carefully select them based on market analysis and real-time use to achieve top-tier results now. That means club members don't have to stress over research or waste time figuring things out. I strictly follow my best performing time-tested strategies because I trade alongside my community and achieve results together with them. The system is so well structured that even beginners see progress from their very first trading session without spending months or years studying theory. And the greatest part, you can start with any balance, whether it's just 1 or 100. Either option can lead to results. Just try it yourself while the club is still free for everyone. Click the first link in the description. I'm about to start the trading session. But before we continue, I want to remind you, trading involves risks and profits are never guaranteed. Back to an Australian and an American. Adjusting to a new value. Now, looking at the chart, we see a very strong upward movement. There are no reversal patterns on the chart. After a small pullback, the uptrend should continue, so we press up. Thanks to proper technical analysis, we've reached 100. I'd call that a small victory. Let's see what happened next. Back to a New Zealander and a Canadian, changing the value to 100. The downtrend continues after a correction, and there are no reversal patterns. We still have time before the next correction, so let's enter down quickly. Whoa, that's what nerve-wracking, but the result is definitely satisfying. I'll try to take fewer risks going forward. US dollar and Bangladeshi taka again, adjusting the value. Here, the price tested the support level and entered a small lateral movement. We also see a green candle with a long lower wick, indicating strong buyer pressure pushing the price up. The RSI indicator is roughly in the middle, meaning there is room for further growth. For me, it's obvious. Upward movement is likely, so we press up. My analysis was spot on again. Look at that big gap between the opening and closing prices. You couldn't ask for a clearer setup. Let's go further. An Australian and an American this time, setting the maximum value. Looking at the chart, we have a strong uptrend with a slight correction. Since local lows haven't been broken during the correction, the uptrend is likely to continue, so we press up. It feels great to be right again. The result 719. Not bad, but we can do better. A New Zealander and a Canadian, setting a new value of 720. The price tested the support level, bounced off it, and moved higher. The RSI indicator dipped into the oversold zone and quickly rebounded, confirming strong buyer activity, pushing the price upward. So we follow the trend and press up. Awesome! The result is great. And remember, we started with just 4. I think I'll do a couple more trades and call it a day. Back to US dollar and Bangladeshi taka, adjusting the value to 1,375. After our last trade on this pair, the price reached a resistance level and then reversed. The RSI indicator hit the overbought zone during the upward impulse and then bounced downward, further confirming that buyers have lost strength and the downtrend will continue, at least until the next support level. So we press down. 2,612 in the back. That was an amazing trading session. Let's do one final trade to lock in the results. Switching to an Australian and an American. The chart shows that the price reached a previous low, and this area is now acting as a support level. Buyers won't want the price to drop lower, otherwise the trend could reverse. The RSI indicator has also changed direction and is heading toward the overbought zone. So we are going up. Perfect! Our final result today is more than 5,000. Using technical analysis with the RSI indicator works wonders. Amazing! That's how I trade. Minimum time, maximum efficiency. You've seen examples of complete beginners making their first profit just by copying my trading ideas. Want to know how? The truth is, it's not complicated at all. All you need is a step-by-step system and support from the right mentor. My trading community is where people transform their daily routine, and my goal is to help every beginner succeed in trading. Here's what you will find inside my community. First, ready-to-use trading ideas with clear instructions. Just copy and apply them to your trades. Second, proven strategies that I've developed over years of experience. Third, personal support. If you have any questions or need help, I'm here to guide you. Fourth, a real community. Every trader here started from scratch, but they're already making progress. Just look at what they're saying about my trading community. And all of this is absolutely free. But honestly, I can't guarantee it will stay that way forever. Every week you add is another missed opportunity to transform your life. If you don't want to waste more time, click the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Join right now and let's make 2024 the year of transformation. Keep in mind, even the most effective strategies don't guarantee 100% success. Trading always involves risks.